The launcher is the fastest way to discover everything that LG Smart TV with WebOS has to offer. To make it appear, simply press the home button on your remote control. You'll see that it's clear, colorful, and easy to understand. We've added something new this year. Just point the cursor to the left here. This big wedge up top is My Content, which lets you assemble handy shortcuts for programs you might like to watch in the future. A combination of your picks plus our recommendations. If you like any of the recommendations that you see here, click on this star with the plus sign to begin adding titles to your list. This takes you to the My Content page, where you can click on this plus sign if you want to add more content. And you'll be taken to this page where you can search for TV shows and movies, with recommendations listed here, or type in whatever search terms you wish. There are big photos to illustrate some popular suggestions. Click on this circle with the 3 dots on each photo to learn more, or on this play arrow to learn which viewing options are available. Click here to exit directly to the LG Content Store, our exclusive media storefront, which we cover in another video, or on this little home icon in the lower right corner to return to the launcher. Below My Content, down in the left-hand corner here is My Channels, which invites you to create a list of handy shortcuts to the channels you watch most. To get started, click Add Channel, and you'll be shown this list, based upon the setup you performed for your TV service. Check out our initial setup video if you haven't completed this step. Click on the name of the channel, and you'll see this little symbol appear next to your selections. When you're done, click on this back arrow at the top left, or simply press the back button on the magic remote. Now, the next time you access My Channels, you'll see that it's populated with up to 20 of these handy channel tabs with the logo, number, and the title of what's currently playing. Then just click on a tab to jump straight to that program. Click on this pencil icon all the way to the left, or click and hold any tile to enter edit mode, which lets you arrange your channels in whatever order you prefer by clicking and dragging the tile to the desired position. To delete a channel, point the cursor at a tile and then click on the little X that appears. Click the Done button to exit edit mode. Back on the launcher, this large tile here will represent your most recently used app, making it that much easier to go back to it if you want to. Just click on it. Along here on the right, these tabs represent your available apps, your connected devices, and more. Right out of the box, the launcher begins with this red tab for the LG Content Store, which we cover in another video. Then Search, then a series of premium content providers: Netflix, Amazon Video, Hulu Plus, Vudu, and Google Play Movies and TV. Then come these tabs with little icons representing your different connected gear. As you set up each new device or download a new app from the LG Content Store, a new tab for it will automatically appear in the launcher for easy access. When you select a tile, its name will appear and scroll along the bottom. Continue down the line with a simple wave of the magic remote, or use the left-right directional arrows to navigate. Further along, we'll see some of the features built into WebOS, including the web browser, the user guide, device connector, channel guide, available once we've set up our TV service, music and photos and video, which combine into Content Share, which we cover in another video. The TV Scheduler, which lets you set convenient reminders of upcoming programs you don't want to miss. Screen Share, one of the cool ways to connect your smartphone to the TV, which we cover in another video. Camera, should you choose to connect one, sold separately. Multi-View, to display 2 different inputs side by side. Accessibility, to adjust how you interact with your television. And Notifications, which keeps track of the updates you might receive about your smart TV. It's your launcher, so customize it however you like. Click and hold on any tile or click on the little pencil icon all the way on the far right to enter edit mode. To move a tile, click and drag it to the desired spot, then click one more time to drop it into its new location. While in edit mode, you can delete almost any tab by pointing the cursor at it, then clicking on the little X that appears above it. Click on the Done button here on the screen, or press the Home button on the magic remote to return to the launcher. A few other helpful tips. When the launcher is on screen, you'll also see these 3 icons in the top right corner. Click on the musical note to open the music player and you can start playing immediately, even while you're doing other things, like web browsing. Next to that button is the Input Selector. Click on that to open this drop-down menu that lets you switch between any of the TV's available inputs. And next to that is the Settings icon, which when you click on it provides this list of submenus for picture mode, aspect ratio, sound out, sleep timer, safety, and all settings. You'll notice that when you highlight the time, Run My Starter will appear. Click on the time to open this handy helper, which provides a friendly greeting and weather info for your location. You can also set it up to include the calendar from your Android mobile device to help you keep track of appointments. And below the time is this button for LG TV Plus, a remarkable free app that can turn your Android or iOS smart device into a sophisticated touchscreen remote control and enable Magic Mobile Connection, a new way to share the contents of your phone on your LG Smart TV. We cover Magic Mobile in our new What is Magic 3 video. And when you press and hold the Home button, you'll see this shorter version of the launcher with larger tiles. The launcher on LG Smart TV with WebOS does more than ever, yet it's an even quicker, easier route to whatever entertainment you're looking for.